Hi everyone, today we're going to learn practical number 7 of advanced Python for data science. So your question, import pandas as PD, import cbon as SNS, import matplotlib.py plot as plot. All the three libraries I have taught you and explained in the previous video, so I can have a look onto it, like what is it exactly it is. df is equal to sns.load underscore dataset of flights. Here I am storing a data frame. What does the data frame consist of? It consists the flight data set from the CBOM, which will consist year, month, and the passengers. Next, df month underscore num is equal to pd dot to underscore data time. df month, comma, format is equal to %d, pt dot month. So, df month is basically, it gets the month names like Jan, Feb, March. Then format is equal to %d, which is an abbreviation month like Jan, Feb, etc. Then we have tt.month, which extracts the month number that is from 1 to 12. So what does it do is, for example, if I talk about Jan comes in the first month, then Feb comes in the second month, March comes in the third month. So this is what the data set which would be created for you with the help of month underscore num. Next we have is df date is equal to pd.to underscore date time. Dictionary, year is equal to df.year, month is equal to df.month underscore num, day is equal to 1. Now, df data is basically what is it? It creates a new column called date. Then we have, it takes the year values from df. Then it also takes the month numbers. Then it says the day has 1 for all the rows, same day. And close the dictionary and the function. Like for example, if I talk about 2026, okay, or 0 to 12 with that. Just an example. So like that, it will display you every record which has a complete date. Next we have plot.figure fixed size is equal to 10 comma 5. This creates a new graph window. The size is around 10 inches wide and which has 5 inches tall, which makes a clear graph and readable. SN is the line plot. Data is equal to df, x is equal to date, y axis is equal to passengers, marker is equal to circle. Now here, data uses the data frame df as a data source. X would be my x-axis will show the date, y-axis will show me the number of passengers, and marker will add a circle dots on each data point. And it's the line plot function. Next we have plot.x label date. It adds a label to the x-axis date. Then we have plot y label number of passengers, which adds a label to y-axis. Then we have plot.title flight passengers over time, which gives a title to your graph, and plot.grid2, which displays the grid lines of the graph, which helps in reading values easily. Then we have plot.tight underscore layout, which automatically adjusts the spacing and it prevents the text from the overlapping. Plot.show will display in the graph. So this is the output is. So what does it do? It's displaying the flight passenger data, which has converted the month names into numbers, you can see, and which has a full date column. And has plotted the line graph, it shows how passengers changed over the time. I hope you all have understood. If there is any doubts related to the topic, you all can drop a comment. Thank you.